Welcome back to iAskTech. In this short video, I'm going to quickly show you how to change your server location on hostinger.com. So I am currently using the Business WordPress package from Hostinger. So let's quickly see how we can achieve this. First of all, on the home page under the hosting, after your package name, there is a manage button. Click on that. Okay, after clicking on that button, here you will see the section hosting resource usage. If you click on see details, then under your package name Business WordPress or whatever you are using, you would notice that location is currently North America. If you click on that, it will let you to update the location, and here you can see that it is saying choose server location, and in this drop down these are all of the locations that you can set. So here it is also giving you some useful information. We have identified your visitors in last 30 days. So it is saying that most visitors come from United States, 39.84%. So this information can also help you to decide that which server is best for you to choose. So if you have currently selected a server that is different from the location where your mostly visitors come from, then you should choose the recommended location that they have highlighted here. So it is saying we recommend keeping your hosting account in the United States data center for the best website loading time. Okay, so also it is saying you can initiate one server transfer in 30 days. You have to be very thoughtful before making this change, because once you change it, you will not be able to change it again until 30 days are passed. So let's suppose you want to change it from this to this. Okay, you just have to click on the next, and here it will give you some important information about the transfer. That is saying the server transfer is free of cost. All websites under the hosting plan will be moved to UK data center. The IP address of your hosting plan will be changed. Changes during the transfer process will not be served and are not recommended. Server transfer can take up to 12 hours to complete. Hosting will be locked during the transfer. So if you are really sure you want to change that, you can proceed and hit the start button. As I don't need to make any change, so I will not hit the start button, but this is how you will be able to change the location. I hope that this video is useful for you. If that's the case, then please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos, and hit the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.